Hey guys, so we got a Bambu Lab A1 3D printer for Christmas, and we're printing this Georgia helmet, and here are some more pieces to it. I gotta finish taking the stands off of this, so I hope you like it. If you have one, comment down below. It's really cool to watch. Alright, back to printing. This is my first time seeing it, actually, because I just got back from church.
Tell them how long it takes.
It takes 22 hours to print that helmet. Then I also had to print these pieces, which rounds up to 25 hours, I believe. But yeah, that's how long it takes.